We are going to read, explain, and even act out some of the 10 amendments.
Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise, therefore, or abridging the freedom of speech or the press, or the right of people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for redress of grievance. The First Amendment protects the people's rights to practice religion, to speak freely, to assemble, meet, to address, petition the government, and the press to publish.
Amendment 2. The right to bear arms. A well-regulated militia being necessary to secure the security of the state, of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Basically, what that means is the Second Amendment protects your rights to own guns. Bang, bang. There's debate whether this right protects the state or the right that protects individuals. Search and arrest. What an interesting amendment. This is the fourth of many amendments. 27 to be precise. But it is over search and arrest. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue. But upon probable cause, however, supported by oath or affirmation, or particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things be seized. What this means is that the Fourth Amendment protects the people from the filthy government, from slapping them around and improperly taking property, papers, or people without a valid... Hey, you can't have that.
It's my Second Amendment. I can have if I want.
Oh!
Okay, so basically what the Third Amendment says is no soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house with the consent of the owner, nor in the time of war, but in manner to be prescribed by law. In the Third Amendment guarantees that the Army cannot force homeowners to give them room and board.
Hello? Ahem, it's during the World War III and I need in.
Sorry, it's my Third Amendment. I don't have to let you in. I don't have to let any soldiers in to house them, whether they're nice or not. Who's there? Hey, move to the safe house. Move to the safe house.
I have been informed that you are running a drug ring here and I must check on it involving lysergic diethylamide acid, LSD.
Do you have a warrant?
No.
Then get out. It's my Fourth Amendment. You need a warrant to search. Move, bring the dogs. Amendment 5 says, no person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless of imprisonment or in the payment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in land or navy forces or in the militia when the actual service in time of war put in danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be put in twice or life of limb, nor shall be compelled in any crime case to a witness himself, nor be deprived for life, liberty, or property with due to process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without something. The Fifth Amendment protects people from being held for committing the crime unless they are indicated that they may not be tried twice for the same crime.
6 of many, such as 27 amendments. The right to a fair trial. One of the most important amendments ever made. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy, no, they shall not enjoy, they will enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed. Put the phone away, we don't do this in a live production. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. Where the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witness against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his or her favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his or her defense. The Sixth Amendment guarantees, this is basically what it means, guarantees a speedy trial and an impartial jury, not a partial, an impartial jury, that the accused can confront witnesses against them, and the accused must be allowed.
So now we're on the 7th Amendment. 7th Amendment is the right in civil cases in suits at common law, where the value of controversy shall exceed $20, the right to trial by injury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of a common law. The 7th Amendment guarantees a jury trial, and federal civil court cases. This type of case is normally no longer heard in federal.
And we're back with the greatest amendment ever made. The reason I like it so much is it's the number of fingers I have on both my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8! This amendment pretty much means that you cannot have excessive bails and fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishment. And the simple down version, it just says guarantees that punishments will be fair and not cruel, and not extraordinary large fines will not be set.
It's simply the statement that other rights aside from those listed may exist. They just are not listed. Doesn't mean they can't be violated. Which means basically the right of privacy. It's not in here anywhere, but you still have privacy. People can't come up to you and just be all up in your business like that.
Yeah. The 10th Amendment is the states' rights. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. It's still 8, but yeah. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by the states, are reserved to the states respectively, or to the people. The 10th Amendment is subject of some debate, but essentially it states that any power not granted to the federal government belongs to the people. See the federalism topic page for more information.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Matt.
And we'd like to thank you for tuning into this week's governmental education show.
Now on to Primetime Channel 4 News with your reporter, Anchorman, Ron Burgundy.